Station complex. Thank you for your cooperation.
Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Elizabeth Quay right now, and first train video in Perth. Welcome to Perth, every single one of you guys. And at Elizabeth Quay, there are a total of two lines. One is Mandurah line, which is orange, and the other side will be Joondalup line. But for the systems here, for the first journey, we're going to take one station journey from Elizabeth Quay back to main station Perth, which is like 1 minute. But for both Mandurah line and Joondalup line, they actually connect each other. So as soon as the train reached Perth, it will change to Mandurah line, and then so far so forth, back and forth. So it's basically Mandurah line and Joondalup line, they're the same line. But right here, it says this train will terminate at Butler, which is part of Joondalup line. And the train to Butler is arriving. And this is how the train looks like. Total of 6 cars for this one. I think it's actually called B trains. I don't know how to call these. When I searched online and it said this is a B series train, so maybe it's called B trains. I don't know. We're just gonna take one station back to Perth. Do I actually need to press the button in order to open the doors? Nope. Okay, the doors will open by itself. This feels a lot like, what's that thing called? Airport Express in Hong Kong. We'll first take one station back over. There's a map over here. And Elizabeth Quay, and we'll end off at Perth Underground. So we'll end first journey, this is the first one, at Perth Underground, because you see the lines actually just transfer to each other right there. And of course, this is like all the Western countries are. No platform gates, no platform doors. Next is Perth. Arrived at Perth. First video, straightforward. We ended off right here. Perth Underground. This is Perth. This is how they call them, huh? This is Perth. Oh, one of the doors did not open. Don't know why that door didn't open, but that's how the train looks like. We'll maybe send the train off. I don't know how long will this train take to leave. We can wait for a while. Really don't know how long will this train takes to leave, but this is actually a main stop, so But most of these trains are B series EMUs. Oh, departs in 2 minutes. So we're just gonna end it right here. Remember to like and subscribe, click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Check out the links in the description down below for my other channels and my Instagram. Now for the request form is actually reopened, so you can go and check out some of the Perth maps, and then you can request stuff from there. But remember to read carefully on the rules before you request. Click on this video up top, and I'll see you guys for the next video. Peace!